guys, so this is me wearing my old skirt, and look at it, it's very old. As you can see, the color is not too black already, it's faded now. So anyway, yeah, so I'm dancing, yeah. Hi Queens! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! It's me again, Queen Me! For today's vlog, Queens, I'm gonna teach you how to make a 3-in-1 Ruched top and 2-way dress. So here are the materials. First, a pencil. Second, ruler. Third, scissors. Fourth, thread and a needle. So let's get started. I'll be using my old skirt, Queens, and this is my uniform as a teacher. So I'm not using it anymore because it's really too fit for me. So let's remove the garter first because it's not included to the materials that we need. So let's rip the stitches to remove the garter, Queens. Next, we need to cut this area of our skirt, Queens, because we're going to use this fabric for our strips later. Let's start cutting. Then, so we're done cutting the extra fabric. As you can see, it's elastic, so this is nice for our strips later. Now I am going to cut another part of the skirt to make it as a straps later, because the other fabric that I already cut a while ago is for the strips. I look so funny at this moment, Queens, because now as you can see, I am getting a ruler and I am using it to draw a line in a pencil, and it looks so funny because I really don't have a tailor's chalk and a tape measure. Sorry for that. I am only using the materials that I have here, so sorry for that again. So let's start cutting. Okay, I'm finished cutting for my straps and strips. Now let's go to the dress. First, I want to add a button because that will be the breast part of our dress, and I want to have a lock for it because I don't have that big, so let's sew it using this thread and needle. And I'm sorry if my thread is color blue because I don't have a block, but it's nice because it's blending to the color black dress, and I love the blue one. So as you can see, I am sewing it now using my 2 hands, and today I'm done sewing it. It's pretty cute. I can use it without the strips, but well, we are making our ruched dress, so let's continue doing it. Next one, I'm gonna check the area where I can insert the strips, so let's have measurement for this dress. There we go. So I decided to have 3 inches spaces for the strips later, where we are going to insert the straps. So let's make a marks. we're going to cut the extra fabric for the strips that we need to sew in our dress. We're going to have 2 strips for the 4 straps that we're going to insert later. Now I'm going to check the height of the strips that we need to sew in our dress. So here it is. Trying to check the height, and then I'm going to cut it the center to divide the fabric into 2 because we need 2 strips. Then I'm cutting it again because it's too thick. I am also cutting the straps, so the extra fabric that I already cut on my left side are the straps that I needed to insert later in our strips. So first, let's sew it. Okay, let's start sewing it. So we're done with the first strip, so let's do the other strip, guys, because we need 2 strips for the 4 straps later. It's time to sew the strip. Yay, all queens! As you can see, I'm totally done with the 2 strips, and now I am checking the dress so that I can insert the straps. See, it looks so pretty. Sorry again for the blue thread, queens. So as you can see, now our dress is ready for the 4 straps. Let's check the height of the straps, if it's okay, or do we need to add a fabric. So as you can see, our straps are definitely okay because it's longer than our dress, and it's the most important, queens. Your strap should be longer than your dress, and we need 4 straps. So I have extra fabric here. I am cutting it into 2 to have 4 straps. And now I need to insert first the 4 straps before sewing it in the back part of my dress. Time to insert the straps now, queens. So I'll be using this pin, a hair pin. Now let's use this to help us insert the straps easily. So we're done inserting the straps, queens. So we're done inserting the 4 straps. Next step, we need to sew the 4 straps at the back part of the dress. As you can see, queens, so I am arranging the straps to sew it at the back part of the dress to finish our ruched dress. Make sure that the straps are well arranged. Okay, now after arranging all the straps, we'll start sewing it at the back part of the dress. Ta-da! So we're done! The easy steps, queens. We're totally done with our ruched dress. And I'm gonna show you how we can use this dress in 3 ways. So let's try it on. In 3, 2, 1. Today. That's it, queen. So I hope you like it. Please watch my first knockdown DIY story. Here's the trailer.